Are you looking for new and used hubcaps? Look no further than Hubcap Zone for custom hubcaps, wheel simulators, trim rings, and wheel skins. In business for over 20 years, we carry factory original hubcaps, aftermarket hubcaps, wheel covers, center caps, and much, much more, from current models to classics back to the 1940s. Hubcap Zone offers the largest selection of new and used hubcaps, factory original and replacement hubcaps for all cars. Simply select your car, your tire size, and your style. We have the silver hubcaps and chrome hubcaps in all designs, stainless steel trim rings, beauty rings, wheel simulators, and wheel skins. We even have Dodge Ram wheel simulators and wheel liners. We ship new and used hubcaps worldwide immediately to your door, and best of all, there is no additional charge in the continental U.S. For more information on new and used hubcaps, please visit www.hubcapzone.com or call us toll-free at 800-804-0776.